Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add filter in Google Sheet and also to add a slicer filter. It makes the filter option look very modern and dynamic. So let me show you how it works. So let's say for example you have something set up like this in Google Sheet where you just want to filter one column. So how would you do that? So one way is you just select the header and then go to filter on the upper right here on the tools bar. So you see create filter, click on that. So once you click on that, it automatically creates the filter for all the columns that you selected. So notice you can see these little triangles down here on the bottom right of each of the cells. So this is where you can filter whichever you like. So for example, we want to filter for main contact and we just want to filter Abigail Foster, and you click Abigail Foster, click OK. So we just show data for that one main contact that you filter or selected. Okay. So the other thing I want to show you is how to add a slicer filter. It looks much cooler. So let me show you. So what you can do is just select the header again, like what we did before to add in the filter. Then go to data, up here, and go add a slicer. So once you add a slicer, this filter slicer, it's movable, so you can move it anywhere you want. So we can put it there. And then here you can click on the three dots on the upper right of the slicer. And then from there, go to edit filter or edit slicer. And here you can pick which one you want to have for the filter. So for example, we want to just filter by company name. We can select company name. And then we can X out of this, and you can see it changed to company name. And for here, you can see that you can select any of the option you want here. So I'll just select clear, and then I'll just pick Clearview Analytics. So you can see if I just selected Clearview Analytics for the company name, it shows me Clearview Analytics data just for that one client or company name. And then let me put it back, select all, it'll show again. So if you want multiple of this, what you can do is copy this. So Control C and then Control V. And then you can just move this to wherever you want. All right, and then here you just go to edit again, and then you can change the filter column, so column name, so you can change this to client if you want, right? So then you can filter by the client. Let's see, we can clear it all, and then we can select one, right? It will just show you all the filter for this one client that you selected. So I thought that was pretty neat and to show you how to do it, because I've been wanting to figure out how to get the slicer to work, and then finally I was able to figure it out today. So I thought it's a cool trick to add to your Google Sheet knowledge if you like to have a filter that is movable like this. And then the other option I want to mention is you can also edit the color of this. So you go to edit slicer and go to customize. So here you can change the background color. So let's say I want to make it red, and then the text color, you can change that as well. Like you can change it to blue. So I'll change it back to white, and then we'll change this back to black. Okay. So it's very customizable. So it really depends on what you want. So I just thought this was pretty cool. So thank you for watching.